Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Logitech Z407 Bluetooth computer speakers and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these speakers not connecting to your device, or if they're not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth, or any issues like that that you're trying to get these speakers working again, a hard reset can fix a lot of those issues. Now, the second reason you might want to do this is if you're setting these up on a new computer, or just for whatever reason you're trying to get these speakers, like they just came out of the box new, we can go ahead and do that, and it's really easy to do on these speakers. All we need to do is find these two buttons here. This one's the Bluetooth button, and this is the hardwired button. We're just going to press and hold both of those buttons simultaneously for about 8 seconds. Basically until you hear, if you hold it for about 8 seconds, it will make a tone, like a little doo-doo-doo reset tone, and then the LED will blink twice and then glow solid. And so now all your speakers are now reconnected together and reset, and you can go ahead and set these up as a new set of speakers.